Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make eye-catching thumbnails for your YouTube videos using CapCut. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to create thumbnails that will attract more viewers to your content. Let's get started. First things first, open the CapCut app on your device and click on New Project to start. You can select the image you want to use as a background for your thumbnail. Now to add the background, click on Add after selecting the image. This background can be a color, a solid image, or something relevant to your content. Now that the background is in place, we can start adding elements and make adjustments to complete thumbnail. For this, click on Overlay at the bottom menu and then click on Add Overlay. After this, select the image or a photo of a person or any other subject that you want to include in the thumbnail. Once the image is added, it is important to remove the background to make the subject stand out. So click on Remove Background from the bottom menu, and if there are any parts of the background left, click on Customize Cutout and then select Erase, and then manually erase any leftover bits. Now adjust the size of your image by pinching and zooming with your fingers to fit the thumbnail layout. Next, it is time to make the colors in your thumbnail pop. So go to the Adjustment tab in the bottom menu and click on Adjust It. Now adjust the saturation and brightness of specific colors to make them stand out. For example, if your background is blue, increase the blue saturation. If it's pink, then increase the pink saturation to make it more vibrant. You can also tweak luminance and contrast for an even brighter or more dramatic effect. And once you're happy with the color adjustment, click on the check mark to apply the changes. Now in order to add app icon, you can again click on Overlay. After this, click on Add Overlay. And then from your gallery, you can select the app icon and then you can adjust it as you like. In order to make your thumbnail more engaging, let's add some text. Click on the text icon and then select Add Text. Now type in a relevant title or phrase that describes your video, such as a tutorial. You can choose the font, which is readable. Bold fonts are ideal for thumbnails since they are easy to read at a glance. Then go to Style and select a color combination that fits your theme. A popular option is a white text on a black background, so you can choose the one that works for you. After this, adjust the size of the text and fit the thumbnail layout. Make sure it is large enough to be readable. Position it where it won't overlap with other important elements. Now that the text and image are set, it is time for final adjustment. You can go back to the background layer or any other layer to tweak things like hue, saturation, brightness. Check that all elements are properly aligned and that nothing feels off. You want your thumbnail to look balanced and professional. And once you're satisfied with the final design, click on the check mark to save all the changes. Now to save the thumbnail, you can take a screenshot or you can click on Export button in the top right corner to save the image. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.